Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review NinjaTools. So NinjaTools is an AI tool that is going to help you generate various content. It could be text content or even images or even various music, or even the most impressive part is you can even generate various videos using the AI. And for videos, it has various AI tools, top tools such as 𝗗𝗃 as well as LTX, and then there is also image models, various image models of stable diffusion as well as flux. And other than these primary features, there are also some other ones such as the mind map. You can create a mind map simply by describing what kind of mind map you want, and then you can also chat with a PDF. You can, for example, upload your PDF file and now you want to analyze this file, summarize this file, or you want to know some specific information from that file. You can also know that. You can also upload that file and chat with your PDF. And then there are also a lot of tools for writing, for various writing. It could be creative or some other types of writing. And NinjaTools is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $69. And keep in mind, the price is going to increase after 5 days. So this price at only $69, this is going to increase after 5 days. So if you want to buy, make sure you hurry. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So as you can see on top, we have 3 different tiers on Appsumo for NinjaTools. So the tier 1 is going to cost $69. And here you have various limits for various features, such as for chat message, you have 5,000 limit, 5,000 message limit per month. And then you can generate 100 image, you can generate 50 music, you can analyze 50 PDF, and then you can generate 5 videos with 𝗗𝗃, the AI model 𝗗𝗃. And then as for the other model, that is LTX, from this model you can generate 30 videos per month. But obviously if you want to increase all these different limits, you can opt for the tier 2 or tier 3. As you can see on tier 3, there is 15 𝗗𝗃 videos as well as a massive amount of LTX videos, which is 300. And then there are also some other features such as various AI models from top companies such as OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Groq, Perplexity. You can also generate images using the stable diffusion models. You can sync and compare various AI models, which means you can use multiple AI models at the same time. You can chat with your PDF, you can generate videos. There is also a prompt library. You can write YouTube description, you can check your grammars. So if you want to buy NinjaTools on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let me show you how NinjaTools is going to work. Okay, so after you log into NinjaTools, you're going to get a very good, very user-friendly dashboard just like this one. So first of all, we are in this AI playground. So on this playground, we can chat with various AI models. As you can see, currently we can chat with 3 different AI models. I can also make it 2. So as you can see, now there is only 2 AI models, and obviously you can choose the model from on top. As you can see, there are models from DeepSeek and then OpenAI and then Anthropic, from Google, as well as Perplexity, Groq, and also Mistral. So how this playground works is that you have to send your query, send your message from here. You can obviously upload your files if you want, and then you have to send your message, and both of the AI that you have selected, they are going to answer. So let me show you. Let me ask a question on this box. So for example, this is going to be my question, why AI is the future. I'm just going to send this question. And as you can see, both of the models are now thinking. And as you can see, we have got the answer super fast. And as for DeepSeek, as you can see, it is going through the thinking process. And as you can see, here is the answer. And also we have got the answer from GPT 4.1 on the right side. Now I can also copy this answer. I can upvote this answer, or also if I do not like this one, I can also downvote. So just like this, we can use multiple AI models, but at the highest level, we can use 6 different AI models at the same time, which is massive. So currently the option is set to 2 models. We can also switch to 3 different models. As you can see, now we can select 3 different models and get answer from the AI, all 3 different AIs. And then we can also switch to 4 AI models. So as you can see, here is that. And then the highest is 6 different AI models. So as you can see, we have 6 different interfaces for the AI. And obviously you can choose whatever AI models you want from this on top. And in order to test all the AI models at the same time, all you have to do is just send your message or upload a file, whatever you want, you can do that from here. And on top there is also this reload button, some settings, and the feedback button, as well as the Discord server of NinjaTools. And then on the left side there are also some other options, but before I show you, there is a very good option on here, so that is quick action. So from here you can quickly select whatever feature you want to use in NinjaTools. So you can select these AI tools, various tools, or you can even go directly chat with the models. So as you can see, here are all the models. So these are some of the quick actions. And now about this create section, as you can see, I can create various content. For example, I can create various images, generate images using the AI. And as far as I know, the AI model NinjaTools is using is Flux Dev, but they have also mentioned about stable diffusion, so I'm not sure which is exactly the AI model. Okay, so what I want to do is test this model if it really produces some good result, just like this one. So let me come up with a prompt. Okay, so let me provide my prompt on this write a prompt box. So here's the prompt. It is a prompt about a chimpanzee. So here's the prompt, as you can see. And then I have to select a ratio. So for example, I want to choose this landscape ratio, and the format is going to be PNG. And then all I have to do is just click on generate. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the image, and I have to say the image looks pretty good. And we can also zoom in this image or zoom out. We can also probably regenerate. And then there is also a button to enlarge it. I'm not sure. And then we can also crop it. So there are multiple options on top. I can also regenerate this one if I do not like. And obviously I can save it or export it if I want to use it. I can also view the original image. So as you can see, here is the full resolution image. So I can directly save it from here. So this is basically how the image feature is going to work. Obviously you have to provide a prompt. You have to select the aspect ratio, select the image format, and then you can generate. You have some editing options, as well as you can save this image in high resolution. So this is very easy. And then we have this music generator. We can also generate various music. So for example, I want to generate a music. So all I have to do is provide my prompt, text prompt about what type of music I want. So for example, all I want is a birthday tune. That is exactly what I want. I'm just going to click on generate and let's see what we get. Okay, so I have generated the birthday tune, but for some reason it is not working. So I have generated another one, as you can see, with this prompt, with the prompt on the left side. So now let me play this one. So hopefully you have got the idea how the music feature is going to work. I'm not sure what AI model they use in order to generate the music. Is it Suno or something else? But the quality is pretty good. So this is basically how the music feature is going to work. You can literally describe anything that you want, what type of music you want. And then all you have to do is just click on generate. The AI is going to generate that music in a few seconds. And then there is the video generation feature. And as I have said earlier, for video generation, you have two different models. One is Lightricks or LTX. This is a very good and a very efficient model. And then there is also Kling. So this is one of the AI models from China, and this is really good. I have to say Kling is one of the best AI video generators I have seen so far. And as you can see, these are some of the videos that are generated on NinjaTools. So you can obviously preview this video if you want. So here's one video, and then this one. And then there is also this one. So there are multiple videos that are generated and they look super realistic. Just see this one. So just like this, you can create various videos with AI, and you have two top models for that. One is Kling, and then there is also LTX. And other than all these primary features, there is also some tools such as this mind map tools. So it lets you create a mind map based on your text input, which means you just have to mention or describe what kind of mind map you want, and then the AI is going to deliver. So for example, I want a mind map about technology trends. So this is my description. Now let me generate the mind map and let's see what we get. Okay, so we have got the mind map. As you can see, this is a really big mind map. And obviously I can zoom in or zoom out, as you can see. So this is how I can super easily create the mind map. And I can also select or deselect auto layout. So as you can see, now it has become way more better. So this is how the mind map feature is going to work. You can also select the direction from here, like top to bottom or even left to right. And you can search various nodes of the mind map from here. So this is how you can super easily generate various mind map with AI. And then there is this PDF chat feature. So here you can upload a PDF and then you can ask various questions about your PDF. So the procedure is super easy. All you have to do is just upload one PDF and then you have to type your question on this box and then send that question. And the AI is going to come up with the answer about the PDF on this interface. And on the PDF chat section, there is also this private section as well as team section, which means you can collaborate with your team in analyzing or asking various questions about a PDF file or other documents. And then there is this writing library. So on this library, you can get various writing tools, AI tools that are going to enhance your writing. So the tools are divided into various categories. We have various feature tools and then some tools for text enhancement such as text naturalizer. So you can turn robotic AI text into natural human writing, which means you can humanize AI writing. You can write conclusion, you can adjust the tone, you can enhance vocabulary. And then there are also some other writing assistant, as you can see, some video content tools, some social media tools, as well as some marketing tools or writing tools. So you can add headline, product description, company bio. So these are basically all the tools that you're going to get on the writing library. And then you can directly access all the AI on this left side. As you can see, all of the AI are going to appear on here. All of the AI models that are available, they are going to appear. For example, you want to chat with the Claude 4, just go here. And now you can super easily chat with Claude 4. And keep in mind, this is the newest model from Claude. So you are also going to get that on here. For example, I want it to help me write an essay about Silicon Valley. Okay, so as you can see, this is taking some time to create the essay, maybe because it is big, but I hope you have got the idea. You can access all the models directly from here. You can chat with a single model from here. For example, you have all these latest models, Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview, and then also Gemini 2.5 Preview, and also this Gemini model from Google, Mr. Large, and then also Perplexity Sonar Pro. So all of the top models from top AI companies, they are here on NinjaTools. So overall, I have to say NinjaTools is an excellent tool that lets you create content, various content. It could be text or image or even videos with top AI models such as Kling or even LTX. And then you can also generate various images using Stable Diffusion or FluxDev. You can also generate music, you can chat with PDF, you can also create mind maps just from text input. So I have to say this is a complete AI tool that lets you give access to a lot of AIs at once. And if you want to buy it from Appsumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. And keep in mind the price is going to increase after 5 days. So if you want to buy, make sure you hurry. And here are all the tiers and all the features on here.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.